Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. We're gonna do a quick Domino's garlic parm pizza review. I got some Domino's garlic parm chicken wings. It's garlic parm kind of day today. Let's pop this wings. Pop the box open. Chicken wings, garlic parm sauce. Alright. And the pizza, garlic parm, Domino's. Bottom looks good. It's a pan pizza, garlic parm sauce. All right, the pizza review. There's a slice, top, bottom, from the side, top again. It's pan pizza, so it's gonna be soft, chewy, fluffy, bready, extra thick. Garlic parm sauce is good. Nice change from the traditional. It's not cheap. I think it's $13.99 for this pizza. For the pan pizza, it's a little more expensive than the regular. It is bready, so if you don't like bready, get the regular kind because the pan pizza is a little heavy, which is the way it's supposed to be. For a pizza chain, fast food kind of place, it's not bad, it's edible. 3.5 out of 5 for this pizza. Let's do the chicken wings. The front and the back. Okay, like that. That. Garlic parm chicken wings as well. Same sauce. Again, not bad. Nothing great, but not bad. Three out of 5. This was not cheap either. I believe it was $6.99 for 8 wings. Back in my day when I was a kid, you go to a pizza place, they give you 12 wings just to get a dozen. They carry 10. Now apparently it's 8. So things are not getting any cheaper and we are not getting any younger. On that note, I'm gonna finish this lunch. Just average, fills your belly up. Thank you guys for tuning in to Parks and Pizza, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.